Alright, so I broke out the Jensen 20G. Now I replaced the Jensen Model 15 AC generator with the AliExpress generator. There's some electronics hooked up to it, basically a 7805 voltage regulator. Basically I'm trying to see if this Jensen 20G will charge any device. Basically like a small rechargeable battery or something, but no luck so far yet. However, I decided to show you what happens when I take the belt off. This engine's actually kind of quiet. That goopy crap you see coming out of the slide valve right here is steam oil. I basically custom built this, excuse me, this displacement lubricator. It's basically, it's a 1/16 of an inch, 1/16 compression fitting, made to fit to a 1/4 inch T nipple plug and a cap. So I just wanted to show you how quiet this thing can actually get. So let me turn it down just a hair. Get it down really quiet. Yeah, it's actually really quiet. According to my watch, I'll show you. "57 decibels. Now let's crank it up all the way. And let's do the phone again, or the watch again. It's super quiet. That little spike was just for me talking. But yeah, it's a really fun tool to have around, or a toy to have around, excuse me. But as you see, there's plenty of water in the boiler. For the steam oil, I'm using PM Research steam oil. Now, I think I ordered a little much, to say the least, but at least this will last me a long time once I start really building up my steam collection. But yeah, it's quite a fun little machine to have.